What does it mean to be free when we're made to feel so divided? Are we too afraid to believe life is more with all of us? What does it mean to be whole, to see ourselves in one another, to learn how the notes of each soul create harmony from dust?
Let the voice inside you fill the void with your melody. We aren't we without you, so just close your eyes
and you'll hear the sound of us. You'll hear the sound of us. You'll hear a sound that you have known right from the start.
Right from the start.
I hear the sound in you. I hear it breaking through all of the noise that tries to tear this world apart. Oh, I hear the sound of us.
I hear the sound.